In PTC Mathcad, you can use areas in order to hide and also protect some of your calculations from editing or being deleted. Let's take a look at how to do that. Here I am in a worksheet, and I've just made a little space here in order to put an area. I'm going to click on the sheet in that space. Now I will go to the Document tab, and over on the left side of the ribbon, you can see the area command, and the keyboard shortcut is Control-Shift-A. When I click on the area command, you'll notice I now have a little space, and it says area in the upper left-hand corner. And there's a little minus sign, and you can use this to collapse the area so people can't see what's inside of the area, or then just hit the plus sign in order to expand it back. If you want to do math in here, you can do math. You can write whatever you want. So I can make a variable and say that this is going to be equal to some value, or you can move your existing calculations in there. And you can't just grab the calculations and then drag them into the area, but you can cut and paste. So I will use Control X to grab these, and you'll notice that caused an error with some of my other calculations. Let's use Control V in order to paste them back in. I'm going to then grab the area and drag it a little higher in my sheet. Oops, that's too high. Let me bring it back down using the arrow keys. That is good. So I like those different calculations that I have in here. I'm going to position my mouse inside of there and then hit the enter key a few times, give myself a little bit more space. And now I can repeat the process if I want to move some more of my math in there. So let me grab a bunch of other different regions. And these are math regions and also text regions. I will use Control X in order to cut all that stuff. Let me position my mouse inside the region again, and then Control V. Now I've pasted them in there. Let's adjust it so that it is within the sheet. So now I will left click in order to deselect it. Another thing that you can do with your different regions is you can disable the calculations from being performed inside of that region. So let me go to the Calculation tab, and right now Disable Region is grayed out. If I click inside of the region again, now we have the ability to disable those calculations. And when I do that, you'll notice that now they're all in sort of a light gray color to indicate that the math is not being actively updated. And then I can collapse the region. So again, that's a way that you can protect your calculations from other people seeing them. And if you want to prevent people from being able to modify them, let me hit the disable region and bring them back. If you want to protect them even further, you can right click on that little icon for collapsing the area. And here we have the Protect Area command. When I click on that, you can enter in a password in order to protect that. And I highly recommend against doing that based on my own personal experience. One time I put a password on a region and I thought, hey, I'm never going to forget this password. This is my standard password I use for everything. And then like 5 years later, I couldn't remember what the password was. So again, you can put that in if you want. You can also add a timestamp for protecting it. And then you also have this option here to lock the area display state. So right now it is going to be expanded on the sheet, but you could collapse it as well. And then I will choose to protect the area. You can see when it was protected. So you can see that this area is in the sheet and when it was protected, but you aren't able to affect it. Now, let's say I no longer want it to be protected. Well, I just right click over on the little plus sign to expand the area. Let's unprotect the area. And it asks me, do you want to remove area protection? Yes, I do. And now I can click on it in order to expand it. And there you can see the calculations. So again, that's how you can use areas in order to protect your math. I hope you enjoyed this video. For more information, please visit www.creowindchill.com. If you learned something from this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you like this video, please click the subscribe button and ring the bell to be informed when new videos are uploaded. Thank you very much.